Hi guys, welcome to today's session at TrinoCode. As you see here under the customer testimonials, we have these different elements which are appearing one by one, that too with a transition. In this session, we'll talk about how to animate elements in Bubble. So without further ado, let's start how we can do this. Let's go to our Bubble editor. So here in our Bubble editor, I have already made these three groups which are at different positions right now. Let me just quickly show you how I made these groups. So this is a simple image which I uploaded. This is a text and this is also a text. So now we need to overlap them so that they animate at the same position. So here in order to overlap them, you can either drag and drop or you can even copy this group and paste it in the group testimonials. As it didn't overlap nicely, so for that we can check the x and y coordinates of group testimonials 1, which is 0 and 73. In group testimonials 2 also we can do the same thing. See, the text overlapped and now they are at the same position. The same thing we can do with this. Copy it and paste it in the group testimonials and then change its x and y coordinates accordingly. Now all the three groups are at the same position. We can delete these extra groups. So here comes the critical part, which is the workflow. We need to make a workflow in order to animate all these three groups. So let's go to the workflow. So let's start building the workflow. So now in order to animate them, we need to provide them a custom state so that when we preview the page, they don't overlap each other and comes nicely with transition one by one. So for that, when page is loaded, click here to add an action. Set state of an element and the element is group testimonials. The custom state is test and the value will be 1. Now click here to add one more event. Do every 5 seconds. Here you can even change the time if you want your groups to transition quickly. So you can reduce the time and write 2. Now click here to add an action. Set state of an element. We need to set state of the element group testimonials. Test and the value will be 4. So here we can even give a condition that this value will be 4 only when group testimonials test is 3. Now we can click here to add one more action. Set state of an element, group testimonials. So its value will be 3 only when group testimonials test is 2. So after this we need to animate an object. We'll use the action animate an element. We want to animate group testimonial 3 animation. So Bubble provides you so many options to choose from for your animation and even gives a slight preview how it will look. See. So you can choose whatever you want as per your requirement. Let's use slide right begin. Only when group testimonials test is 3. Group testimonials test custom state is 3, then this group testimonial 3 will animate. So like this will animate other two groups as well. Set state of an element, group testimonial, custom state test, value 2, only when group testimonials test is 1. Now we'll animate an element. So here we've already animated testimonial 3. Now we'll animate group testimonial 2. We'll use the same transition only when group testimonials test is 2. Now the same thing we'll do with the last group. Value 1. Now we'll animate group testimonial 1. We'll use the same transition only when group testimonials test is 1. So now we are done with our workflow. Let's go back to our design. In our group testimonial 1, we'll define another condition. When group testimonials test is 1, then select a property to change this element is visible. So when group testimonials test state will be 1, then this element will be visible. Similarly, the same thing we can do with our group testimonial 2 and 3 as well. So now we are done with our workflow as well as our design. Now let's preview and see if it works. Let me refresh the page. See, it works. You can even change the time of animation if you want. If you want it to animate more quickly, you can just go back to your editor page, go into the workflow. Here in the interval, you can change the time. Let's just write 1. Now it will animate more quickly. See. So I hope you understood and enjoyed today's session. For any doubts, you can comment down below in our comment section. We'll try to answer as much as we can. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.